We're going to be setting up shipping and delivery settings in Shopify store. From the home page, navigate to the bottom left corner of the page, select settings, select shipping and delivery midway down the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll have shipping settings, which is where you ship, how much you charge for shipping at checkout. You have general shipping rates and you have custom shipping rates where you can apply custom rates or restrictions for any products that you sell. Anything that's not applied to a custom profile will be added to the general shipping rates. We'll select general shipping rates. Here we have all the products that apply to this shipping profile displayed. We have the shipping origins, which is our business locations and any third-party providers that fulfill our products. Our shipping zones, we have domestic, which is the United States, the place of our business. And we have international markets, which will be covered in a different video. By default, Shopify sets up different shipping profiles based on conditions, transit time, and price. These prices are fixed in what they display and are charged to your customer. You also have carrier and app rates where you have anything that is already set up that you set up with third-party shipping providers like UPS or USPS, where the rates are pulled automatically and calculated based off of the different parameters of your customer's purchase, and then the different services they provide, whether that's ground or air. You also have third-party providers that fulfill your product. So if a customer purchases a product on your Shopify store that's print on demand, it goes and automatically displays the shipping cost for the fulfillment provider that is going to be printing and delivering your product. To set up a custom rate or a new rate, we'll click Add Rate. You can either use a flat rate, apply that to your customer if you're trying to capture more margin with the shipping process, or we can use carrier or app to calculate your rates. We already did UPS in a previous video, so in this video we'll do USPS, which is one of the largest providers and service providers for mail delivery throughout the United States. Here we'll select the services that we plan to use and offer to our customer, which is first class mail and priority mail. For future services, you can automatically show new shipping services to your customer when they become available. We'll leave that open, unselected, and you can apply handling fees. So based on the provided carrier rate, you can still capture margin if you know your costs that is associated with packaging, shipping, and fulfilling your products. You can either capture it via percentage of the price, or you can charge a flat amount. Once we're done with selecting the services and adding any handling fees that we wish to add, which we're not going to add any here, we select Done. From here, you'll see that the carrier rate now populates in the carrier and app rates in the USPS, and we see that we have two services that are selected. From here, you can continue on and either edit and remove these rates so that only your carrier and app rates and are displayed to your customer, which we would recommend unless you do plan to capture margin and are confident in how much it costs to ship your products from your location to your customers. To remove these, select the three dots on the right. You can either edit it or you can delete it entirely. Once you've made your edits, you can continue on through the international market and the other settings, which we'll cover in another video, or go up to the top right corner and select Save.